Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove best friends from Snapchat. So firstly, open up your Snapchat, then go to your profile at the top right corner. So the first method of removing your best friend from Snapchat is just simply stop sending him or her snaps for a few weeks, and then he or she will be automatically removed from the best friends list. Or what you can do is just simply go to my friends, and when you reach this column over here you might have an extra column called best friends. Then what you have to do is just simply click and hold on the friend that you want to remove, then click on manage friendship, and then simply remove the friend. But make sure to remember his or her ID, because you have to also add them back to your friend list. And then after adding him or her back to your friend list, what you have to do is just simply take multi snaps until it's completely full. Then just simply send the snap to the person that you just added, and he or she will again be added to your list. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.